Yo, how's it going, boys? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to stay consistent with your business, because it's one thing to have an idea and a plan. It's another thing to be consistent with it until you see success. Because I've been there where I've tried so many different business models, businesses. I did drop shipping, eBay drop shipping, Facebook Marketplace drop shipping, Amazon drop shipping, NFTs, crypto trading. I tried literally everything: TikTok drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and then until I picked one thing is when I saw success. So it's not about the idea, because any one of those that I just mentioned, I could have became a millionaire if I focused on it for 3 years. And same thing with this. I'm doing email marketing now and I've stuck with it for 3 years, and that's why I'm seeing results. So it's not a matter of what idea is good or bad. It's sticking to one idea that's solid until you see results, and then you can start doing other business ideas, other ventures, and you can put the profits from your original business onto your new business. And now you have a network of people you can ask questions. Like, for example, TJR, one of my clients, that he dropped a clothing brand collection. Now he has a brand called Kiltech. He is really good at crypto trading and selling mentorships. And he made so much money that now, if you want to start a clothing brand, he hit up all his friends in the clothing brand space. He put money into it to start it right. He didn't waste any time. He got the best mentors to teach him the clothing brand game. First drop 100K. And that's how it should be. It should be, once you're really good at one skill, next skill you want to do, then you can use all your knowledge from your previous business and all your connections. And now, people are going to want to help you out because they know you can start successful businesses. So it's not like they're wasting their time. They know you're successful. So now they want to help you with another successful business. Once you have that reputation, everybody wants to help you with your next idea, because you have history of starting good businesses. Especially nowadays with the new internet, any business you start, if it's a growing market, you will make money if you stick with it long enough and you keep learning. So first thing is keep learning, and you'll keep getting better. And at some point, you're going to be giving out so much value to the marketplace that you can just collect as much money as you want. So to be consistent, basically what you need to do is stick to one business plan and then do the right things to make that business grow. I have a marketing agency. I could spend all day designing emails just to practice. I could tell people, oh, I worked 10 hours today. What you do? Oh, all I did was DM like 100 bots on Instagram and I designed emails. It could take me 10 years and I won't find a single client. That's why you got to pick the right things and do work on those. So the right things for me right now is posting content, networking with people so I can bring in good clients to work with, and also train my team members so that they get better and better and they can handle more and more fulfillment and do a better service for the clients. So those are the main things I need to focus on in my business to make the business grow. So you got to be smart enough to think, what's the best use of my time right now? If you have zero money, your best use would be become the best possible with your skill set and market yourself, because you could be the best in the world. If not a single person follows you or knows you, then you're still going to be broke. On the other hand, you could be the worst in the world. If you have 1 million followers, you're going to become a millionaire because everybody thinks you're the best. So if you can do both, if you can have a really good service and have that attention of people knowing that you exist, that's how you make money. So focus on those two things every single day. And, it's a matter of a couple months where you're going to start seeing money flowing in. And now don't spend this money on some dumb shit that's going to distract you. You work so hard. Now you buy yourself a brand new PlayStation. That's not a good reward, because now your reward is distracting you from the thing that got you that. So buy something that makes you even more motivated to work. So for me, I bought this camera right here. It was almost $1,000. I could have rewarded myself with some distraction, but I didn't. I reward myself to keep leveling myself up, keep leveling up my character in the business game. And soon enough, it gets easier and easier to work. You built up your stats, and now you're consistent. That's why I'm consistent with content, because I keep, you know, buying better equipment, learning the skill, making more money, and it motivates me. So that's the end of the video. My arm is kind of hurting, and I'll talk to y'all soon. You can watch all my content. I talk about email and SMS marketing, as well as just motivation and mindset for business owners. So I'll catch you in the next video.